Let's talk about 11-pack Ice Lolly Molds Set, Ice Lolly Maker, Loading Funnel plus Silicone Popsicle Molds, Reusable DIY Frozen Ice Cream Pop Molds for Kids. Summer is coming. Popsicle is the best favorite treats in hot days. The Ice Lolly molds will help you make your own popsicle, never worry the artificial coloring and preservatives, and enjoy the healthy yummy. As you are the popsicle designer, you could using juices, yogurt, fruit, ice cream, pudding or jellies to meet your family taste and make the colorful flavor as you want. Just put the drinks and vegetable into the mold and seal it with lid, then freeze it, and popsicle will be finished hours later. Your kitchen will stay tidy and no mess. The compact size is easy to handle, the ice mold could fix in the tray well and stay steady, you won't worry the juice will spill out in the fridge. These pop molds are made of durable BPA-free plastic and FDA approved, environmentally friendly. You could also use it next summer. Lolly set fits easily into my freezer drawer. All items as described. I've saved a fortune in money and calories during this insanely hot summer. Well worth the 3-week delivery time. Photo includes a teaspoon for perspective. With all the good weather we've been having, I wanted to make some ice lollies at home. This product caught my eye because it not only included the lolly maker, but also 4 popsicle makers and a funnel. Also, it's BPA-free. It's really easy to clean, and because the popsicle maker is silicone, it's super easy to use. Very happy with my purchase. I love them. We had a very hot spring, getting through loads of ice lollies with lots of sugar in it. I now just buy some fresh juice and boom, the kids have ice lollies they love.